Hello, greetings from I Love Science. We present to you our new Composite Science Kit. This kit is most suited for science teachers as well as for parents who want to give the best experiential learning to their children. And it covers the complete syllabus of science activities from class 6, 7th and 8th and a few activities from 9th and 10th as well. It covers complete curriculum including physics, chemistry and bio. Comes with a detailed user manual. As you can see, this is the user manual, and the whole thing is divided into these parts, like covers the curriculum of food, air and water, materials which is like chemistry, etc., the living world which is biology, moving things which is like forces, etc., optics, reflection, refraction, lenses, everything, and electricity and magnetism. The detailed user manual covers clear steps for all the activities that you can do from the material in this kit, and you can look at the list of 50 activities that can be done from here. So you can see things like food testing of starch, protein, etc., air and water, which is about air pressures, materials, which is physical and chemical changes, acids and bases, biology, model of lungs using microscope. We also have our own fold scope, moving things, which is about making a sundial, forces, etc. Then we have optics, about spherical mirrors, lenses, dispersion of light, making spectrum, multiple reflections like kaleidoscope and periscope, electricity and magnetism, where we have electric circuit, electric current, about electrical heating, electromagnets, electrochemistry, like doing electroplating and making your own lemon juice battery, and a lot of fun activities from magnets. So all these activities are covered in this kit, and the complete material is there. So let me just show you all the material one by one very quickly. This one is about glass ball microscope. So we have our own fold scope and some prepared slides and some slides that you can make, and you create your own glass ball microscope with which you can see these slides. Okay. We have physical and chemical changes. You can see how you can do burning of magnesium and then do some activities from that. We have about air pressure, do activities with Bernoulli bag and straw spray. This one is for electric current and solar power, so you can experience electrical heating, electromagnets, and also the solar cell. So there is a solar cell included in this, right? We have electric circuit, which has LEDs, motors, cell holder, etc. All the material is included in this. Then we have multiple reflections, making your kaleidoscope, periscope and everything, right? Here we have force and friction, so you can do activities on how to make your own weighing scale and experience the activities of friction, including making a small hovercraft for yourself. This packet is for acids and bases. It has pH paper, litmus paper, citric acid, baking soda, everything, all the activities for students to do, activities on acids and bases. Okay. This one is for making the model of our lungs, respiratory system. This one is for electrochemistry, where you can actually do electroplating and also make a working lemon juice battery. Okay. We have also included a laser light so that you can demonstrate to your students on how the light reflection and refraction works. So a green laser light is included in this kit, right? Activities with magnets. So we have different types of magnets in this, and including a compass and everything. And we also have activities on magnetic levitation, so that you can do all the fun activities of magnets. This one is on components of food with these chemicals and other material. You can do testing of proteins, carbohydrates and fat testing. Okay. This one is about dispersion of light, so you can understand how the light is made from 7 colors A prism is also included in this, so you can see how white light gets distributed into 7 colors. You can also use this Newton's disc so to see how 7 colors mix into white color. And then in this packet we have spherical mirrors and lenses, all the activities that you can do, including you can actually make a small projector from the mobile phone, and you also can make a model of a working camera. So for that, all the lenses and everything is included in this. And here in the end we have the activity for time and motion, where using this template and compass you can actually make your own sundial to understand how sun's shadows were used in the past to estimate the time. Okay, so these are all the activities. As you saw, very rich kit including everything that you need for doing any of the science activities. Complete curriculum is covered. So this is our address, www.ilovescience.in. You can go to the website and then purchase this kit online from there. Thank you. Bye.